Hey YouTube, I know you guys don't really care about S13 videos because I've done 2 of them so far, and of course the quality content's not that great, but they've got like 20 views after 8 months or something, so obviously you guys aren't watching them. But I just wanted to make a quick video of this S13. We did actually get it in the grassroots challenge. We didn't do too well. We were fighting brake problems the whole time. But what we're going to do is we've actually decided to upgrade the brakes, and what we're doing is we're doing a Cadillac CTSv brake swap on here. So these are the CTSv calipers and the CTSv rotors on the fronts, and then on the backs what we're doing is we're doing I think a 300ZX rotor and caliper on the back here, if I'm not mistaken. But the reason why I wanted to actually make this video is, so on a previous video, I was tearing down the motor that came with the car when we bought it, which was blown, and we finally got it on the engine stand, and I wanted to show you what we found. But we did actually get a replacement engine, and this is a replacement engine, but I wanted to show you, we finally got the engine that came with the car torn down, so let's check that out real quick. So here is the engine. We got it torn down. It's pretty much just a short block here, but we went ahead and we pulled out 1 piston, and compression was low on 3 of these, but I went ahead and I pulled out 1 piston here, and check this out. I don't know if you'll be able to see what's going on here, but this ringland here is broken. It is trashed. And you can see that this ringland here, the second ringland, is got a big old crack in it. That's broken too. And so you can kind of see where that oil ring is. That entire ringland was completely, the piece was still in there. There it is. That piece was still in there, but I mean, it was broken pretty much, 2/3 of the way, or 30% of the way around this piston here. So, and that's just this 1 piston. I'm sure the others look just as crappy. But so yeah, that's the engine that we pulled out, or that I pulled out, one of the 2, and tore it down finally after many months to take a look. So we suspect that the engine overboosted. So we took apart the wastegate, and the wastegate had maybe 18 pounds. It had 2 springs in it, and I think it was around 18 pounds because we put the smaller spring in it. We put the smaller spring back in it of the 2, and we made 9 or 10 pounds on the wastegate with just a single spring in it. And so that other spring was probably at least another 6, 7, or 8 pound spring in there. And or more. I don't even really know. So, but that's probably why it blew up. But while we were at Grassroots, we did get we did finish. We didn't break. We were fighting brake problems the whole time, but we were running lean when we ran it on the drag strip. We were running really lean up top, and so we're not sure if it was the injectors or battery voltage or what, but she's running and driving again. I just want to give you guys a quick update on what was going on with it. And stay tuned. Thank you.